Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher not opening in Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. If the Minecraft Launcher is not opening on your Windows 11 computer, there are a few fixes you can try. First, open the Start menu, search for Minecraft, right-click on the Minecraft Launcher, and select Run as Administrator. This can fix permission-related issues. If it still does not open, open the Start menu again and search for Run. In the box, type App Data and press Enter. Open the Roaming folder, then open the Minecraft folder. Scroll down until you find the file called Launcher Profiles. Right-click on it and delete it. After that, try opening the launcher again. If the issue continues, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Minecraft, click the three dots next to the launcher, and open Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair, then click Reset. If that does not work, open Run again and type wsreset.exe and press Enter. As a final step, uninstall the Minecraft launcher, restart your computer, open the Microsoft Store, sign in, reinstall Minecraft, and launch it again. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft Launcher not opening in Windows 11. That's it for this video. Thanks.